In today's video, I'm working on a much larger canvas. It's an 18 by 24 inch canvas, and I wanted to do an airbrushed piece with some of my favorite colors. I have a very dark blue-black from Chroma, and then I'm also working with white. So it'll be a very basic, just simple two colors with paint. And then I also have my silver Mayron mica pigment mixed up that I'll be adding as an embellishment. I'm using airbrush mediums for this. I don't have any water mixed into my paintings. The airbrush mediums are very thin, so I don't need any water. And I have my airbrush set to 40 psi, and I find just for me that works really well. When I first got my airbrush, it was set to 90, and it was all the way up, maybe 99, and it was just too strong. So about halfway works well for me. Just starting out by putting a large amount of my nice dark blue down, and I'm just using my palette knife to smooth it out a little bit, and then I'm going to start alternating between adding more of the blue and the white, and then just gently blowing it out with my airbrush. I ended up getting a few areas that were a little bit muddy, so while I was working on this, I scraped them off and re-added more paint. waited to add the silver towards the end, and that one, the silver didn't really work out as much as I wanted it to this time. I think I had it a little bit too thin and it was sinking beneath the blue paint, but overall this piece dried really nicely. And I just really enjoy using the airbrush. I really like the way that the colors blend with it. This blue in general is just one of my favorites to use. It's just such a pretty color and it looks so nice once it's all dry, especially when it blends just a little bit with the white and you get just these really beautiful shades of lighter blue in there along with that really dark blue to contrast it. I hope you guys liked this video. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. I do use these colors quite a bit, but let me know if you'd like to see some other colors for an airbrushed pour. I have more of these larger canvases and I'd like to try out more of them doing some larger airbrushed pieces. So we'll see what I can come up with, but let me know if there are colors that you'd like to see. And if you haven't already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I do put out a couple videos a week, and I will see you all in the next one. Thank you so much for watching today.